guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 13. Let's keep this train going. I appreciate all the support during this COOKMAS. Thank you guys so much. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a delicious appetizer. It's going to be a pizza, but not just any pizza. We're going to go ahead and make a Crescent Roll veggie pizza. So I'm sure many of you have seen this before. It is a non-baked pizza, but you do have to bake the crust, but all the toppings are vegetables. So in this case, we've got some of my favorite vegetables. We've got some broccoli, we've got some assortment of peppers, some cucumbers, some carrots, some fresh dill, and then of course the crescent roll, which is going to be our dough. And for our pizza sauce, we are going to mix together some sour cream, cream cheese, and ranch, and we've got our sauce. So together this is going to make a delicious veggie pizza that you guys definitely should give a try. So hopefully you're ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Well guys, so this is the Crescent Roll Veggie Pizza. Again, it is loaded full of fresh veggies. We made that homemade ranch dill dressing that went as our sauce. And then the flaky and golden crescent roll crust is underneath. All the flavors are so fresh and vibrant. Pretty much tastes like a veggie tray on a pizza. You know how you get the vegetables and the vegetable dip? It's pretty much like that, except in pizza form. So hopefully you enjoyed the video today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tasted this before. Share the video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.